the shower is done. Well, not done. The grout is done. I used the snow white, which is a little bit more gray than the bright white, but I like it. It's pretty white, but it looks more, I guess, vintagey, and it lets the tile stand out just a little bit. You can see the black border turned out really well. I like that. So, yeah, let me tell you a story about cleaning out thinset. So I was starting my thinset clean out job, which I set it pretty cleanly, so there's not a whole lot to clean out, but nonetheless, that's what I was doing. And I was using this tool here, box knife with a hook end blade. Just put a brand new blade in it. I was just starting, and I was pulling out, I was in between tiles, and hand slipped, and it sliced my other hand, my left hand. I have it covered up right now so I can do some work, but I will show you pictures. Yeah, anyway, got it pretty deep. Pretty sure I severed some nerves because I have not a whole lot of feeling in part of my finger. Required 4 stitches, and yeah, that was the end of that day's work. But I'm back. I got it. So I took a piece of sheet metal, bent it to kind of mold around in my finger, put some athletic tape and just a little bit of CA glue, super glue on the edges to hold the edge down, so it's almost like a cast on my finger, so I can bang it around and it's not going to hurt. So anyway, today's grout on the floor. Floors are a lot easier to grout than the walls, but it's going to take a lot of grout to fill all these holes, so I got 2 boxes mixed up. Anyway, I better get to it. You got to grout fast because that stuff dries quick on you. So here we go. Okay, it's time to take the haze off. I just wanted to explain what this little bag is. So what I did is, right after I applied the grout, I went and cleaned up my bucket. That stuff hardens pretty quick. And I put a good chunk of it in this Ziploc bag, and I cut a little hole in the end, frosting I guess. And whenever I'm cleaning up the grout, if I find any pinholes or any places I missed, I can just kind of squeeze this a little bit extra in there. Or if I find something that just needs more. So I find this lasts a good hour or so. Matter of fact, it's a couple hours later and it's still usable if I needed to. But I don't now. So anyway, it's time for the final cleanup. It's been sitting for a couple hours, so gonna clean this haze off and call it a day. Thanks for watching.